everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I got my BOXYCHARM Premium for June 2022 and I'm going to share it with you guys. So the theme is express yourself, and yeah, let's get into this box. But if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and definitely keep on watching to see what's in my premium box. So the first product is the LORAC Pro Palette Artist Edition. I think it's Meraki, I'm not sure. And this retails for $45, but they were selling it for $15 in the BOXYCHARM store, but they are out of stock. So it is right here. It's more of a cool tone neutral palette, and the pans are pretty small, but you do get a lot of shades. I used it for this look. I did enjoy it. They do have like a lot of kickback in the shadows, but it seemed to blend fine. And I used the shade right here, and this is like a cream almost. It's so pretty, like foiled. And the other shimmers are really nice too, really pretty. I feel like when I first got this, I was like, oh, I never tried a LORAC eyeshadow before, but I feel like I did get something from BOXYCHARM a while ago. I think it's just like a mini palette. I have to look through my stuff, but I think I do have something LORAC. I probably haven't used it. I probably used it once, and that's so terrible. But it does, this palette does come with a mirror, and they don't have the shade names on the palette. It comes with this little piece of paper with the shade names. So, I don't know. I guess it's okay. But let's move on to the second product, which is the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara. This retails for $29, but it's being sold for $10 on the drop shop. And this is supposed to be like a dramatic mascara, and it helps comb out your lashes and then gives you lots of volume, lift, and definition. And I think it did great. I'm very happy. I like the packaging. It's a little weighted, so I'm very happy to see another Patrick Ta product. I did get the lips gloss in the Luxe box, so I'm happy to get this. The third product is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is a Swipe Up Brow Gel, which retails for $19, but BOXYCHARM is selling it for $9. And I believe I chose this, and I used it today, and I thought it was really good. Sometimes when you get these like tinted brow gel products, they disperse way too much product, and it's just like a goopy mess. This was perfect. Like the first application was perfect, and I didn't even have to like clean off the brush or anything. I don't know about hold. I really don't do the whole thing where you brush up your brows. I just let my brows kind of just grow, you know, sideways. They don't grow down or anything, but I thought it was perfect, the perfect amount of product, and this is all I have in my brows. I love the packaging, and it has decent, you know, it's not super tiny little brush, but it's a good size, and it was perfect to use. So I am very happy. And you know, I've tried a few products from Persona now that I got in BOXYCHARM, and I feel like everything I've tried I really enjoyed. And you guys see their blush, their bubblegum blush? Oh, it's so pretty. And they just came out with like cream blushes. Those look really nice too. So the fourth product is from Coors. This is the Santariti Grape Poreless Cream. This retails for $36, and BOXYCHARM is selling it for $12. And I want to say I chose this as well. Really nice packaging, weighted. It's glass, it's heavy. This is lightly scented, but nothing too crazy, at least in my opinion. I'm not too sensitive to scents. What's nice about this is it's supposed to help blur pores and control shine and hydrate skin all day. So I feel like this would be a really nice product for the summertime, when my skin's, you know, gets a little more oily in the summer. And it helps, I mean, if it's gonna help with pores and stuff, that's great. I did use this after I washed my face. I felt like my skin like sucked it in right away. So I feel like if you have very dry skin, this wouldn't be enough, but for the summer, I will enjoy this, and I feel like my daughter would really like this too. So far, all the products that I showed you, I am so happy with. Let's move on to the 5th item, which is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter, and I got mine in the shade Rodeo Drive, and this retails $35. This is not being sold on BOXYCHARM's website, so it's kind of bulky packaging. I feel like this highlighter was so popular in like 2016, but it's way too strong. Like, I'm not into that super like shimmery highlight. I like more natural, like that natural glow that you can't really tell that you're wearing anything. It's pretty. It's just not my thing anymore. I had to really buff it out, and I feel like I'm very, very shiny. But it's cool to get like a cult classic, and I'm happy to have it in my collection. It's just something I would have to really tone down. Probably use like a beauty sponge to put it on to like sheer it out a little bit, but it's nice to get. And the last item, the 6th item, this is like the dud in the box, is it's called Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield. So this retails for $15, and it says this is a new brand to BOXYCHARM. I'm curious what else this company sells, or if they just sell this. So this is made out of silicone, and you just get one, and I guess the idea is you hold it up and you do your eyeshadow, and if you get any fallout, it's supposed to collect the fallout. I kind of try to use it today, but it's very awkward to hold unless you have like I don't have like a mirror I look into. I usually hold up like my eyeshadow palettes or my, my different compacts and look in the mirror and hold it. So it was like awkward, and I had to like try to set it down and do it. I don't know, it's just awkward to hold. And honestly, I feel like this is something I'm not really going to use. And if you did need a sharp line, it's nice to have a sharp line or whatever if you need that, but I feel like I would just use like a piece of tape or something. Like, it's just awkward to hold it. And at first I was like, does it like have anything to stick, like so you don't have to hold it? But no. And it did say you could put this in the freezer to help like depuff your under eyes, but I don't know. I just feel like it's kind of gimmicky and something I'm not gonna reach for, honestly. But anyways, the total value of my box is $179, and then I always like to add like the BOXYCHARM prices, and that would have been $96. But overall, it's another great box. I think BOXYCHARM did really well this month, and I didn't get a base box this month, but I did see a lot of people very happy with their base box as well this month. I don't know, I think BOXYCHARM is doing great. I don't know, because I felt like the last couple of years, like BOXYCHARM would have a great box once in a while, but then you would get, I don't know, just like a lot of random products like thrown together. But I feel like BOXYCHARM is starting to take thought into their boxes again, and really they're more well balanced, I feel. And I'm just excited that they're doing like popular brands. Like Persona is a smaller makeup company, but they are pretty popular and well known if you're on YouTube. Patrick Ta is like upcoming popular brand. Of course, Ofra is pretty well known here on YouTube. I feel like I heard of Coors. I feel like I have. And LORAC, I mean, it is pretty like a classic brand as well. So overall, I am very pleased. I will use these products, and I think it was a great month again, or great box again. I'm looking forward to what BOXYCHARM has in store for July. I already did do my choice. good choice products. I think I chose the Bare Minerals Tinted Moisturizer in one of the boxes, and then I forget what other choices there were. I don't think they were super exciting, but it wasn't bad either. And if you didn't do your choice yet, it's still open on their website. So just a little reminder there. But anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.